JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Beaufort, Georgia today. No, am I in Suwanee or am I in Beaufort? I'm in Suwanee. The Suwanee address. It's about 1:30. It's a repeat customer. Not much to see really. There's basically 5 bedrooms, a hallway, set of stairs. It's a $280 job. I will do a quick walkthrough just so the video is longer than 40 seconds long. They're supposed to vacuum first, but they didn't. So we got some weird stuff in the carpet here. So this is a rental. One of my homeowner or landlords owns this house. I clean it typically when they move in, move out. The tenants change, that kind of stuff. So there's a master up. 3 other primary bedrooms upstairs and then 1 downstairs. Alright, it's about 2:30. Just finished up this $280 job. There were several spots I noticed once I started cleaning that I didn't notice in the initial walkthrough, which does happen. But everything came out as expected. All of our spots and these weird spots in the bedroom came out. We're gonna, let's see, do we turn the light on? Now leave the fans on for drying. So I think that these spots were, I think they were curry. Because I noticed after being in here for a while, I was having a hard time placing the smell that I was noticing. I think it was curry, but I'm not 100% sure. But that's kind of what I'm leaning towards. Okay, all the lights are off, all the fans are on. So again, we have the seven areas, $280, no per spot fees, no upsells, no hidden charges. The only charge there is if you pay by a debit or a credit card. You know, they charge us 3%, so we charge 3%. So if you happen to have a $200 bill, it'd be $200 you pay exactly cash or check. Debit or credit card is going to be $206. So there's no per spot fees, no upsells. We get what are called our exactaments. We call it an exact pricing quote. If you're charged more than your exact pricing quote, your carpet cleaning is free. So unlike most carpet cleaners where you kind of anticipate paying more, with OMG, you pay exactly what you're quoted or you pay nothing. So until next time, thanks for watching, and as always, be kind. Take care.